We are in lab 6.6.6 and we're going to restrict local accounts. So you are the IT security administrator for a small corporate network. You are working to increase the authentication security of the domain. You need to make sure that only authorized users have administrative rights to all local machines. Local users and groups can be controlled through a GPO linked to the domain. So in this lab, your task is to edit the default domain policy and configure the local users and group policy setting as follows. So we are going to create a policy to update the built-in administrator local group. We're going to delete all member users, delete all member groups, and add built-in administrator to the group. And we'll also add domain name, domain admin to the group. So let's just start up lab. So in case this video appears to be too fast for you, I am really sorry about that. You can always pause this video and walk at your own pace. Match every move I make, every step I take in this lab, and I'm sure you come out successful. Alright, so we're inside the lab. So let's go to tools. Under tools, we'll go to group policy management. Let's maximize this so that you see what I'm doing. Maximize this also. Alright, so we drop down forest and let's see, copy the local. Let's see, default domain policy and edit. And let us maximize this. Let's shift this pen here. Let's drop down this pen and this pen. Let's go to local users and right click on it, go to new local group. Okay, so group name, as for the group name, is going to be administrators built in, and so we're going to select this, click add. Name is going to be add built-in administrator, Control V. So we click OK. So we go to add. So we copy and paste this here. And click OK. So go to click OK here. And if this video was helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also.
Busy with health challenges, work, or family issues? We help students handle labs, coding, quizzes, discussions, and assignments while you focus on life. Our expert IT tutoring support helps you reduce stress and achieve A+ grades in your tech courses. Message us on WhatsApp now, +234 8122948229.